Looking for a trusted way to talk about skincare and medical AI? Today, we're showing you how Zoe Medicare helps you build trust and authority with your content, by putting privacy, accuracy, and real-time support first. Zoe Medicare isn't just another health app, it's an AI-powered dermatology assistant with one mission: helping people get fast, private, and reliable skin diagnosis from anywhere. Your data equals 100% private. No third-party sharing. Unlike generic health blogs or guesswork apps, Zoe delivers accurate, medically informed results, with up to 98% confidence level. Every diagnosis is backed by advanced image datasets and medical data, reviewed and trained across thousands of verified skin images. Users get instant feedback, condition description, likely causes, and a dermatologist recommendation nearby. No queues, no waiting, no panic. This real-time delivery is changing lives, especially in underserved regions where skin health was once inaccessible. Zoe also recommends you to the nearest dermatologist. Log into the platform Zoemedicare.com. Fill in your credentials as of name, enter your full name. Email address, enter your active email address. Location, enter your current location. Take a picture of your skin and upload it. Enter anything that you suspect, any of choice. Trust isn't built overnight. But Zoe Medicare gives your content the foundation it needs. Whether you're making TikToks, YouTube videos, or Instagram Reels, when you show real, working solutions like Zoe, your voice carries more weight. Try Zoe Medicare today at www.zoemedicare.com. Use the platform or WhatsApp bot to experience it for yourself. Record your experience, post it, and tag us to reach thousands more. With Zoe, your audience gets more than information, they get insight, trust, and real-time care. For more information, please subscribe to this platform. Follow, like, share and comment.